Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best tub surround adhesive in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Nadamoo Tub Repair Kit White Tile Shower Repair Kit. Nadamoo Tub Repair Kit White Tile Shower Repair Kit features strong adhesion, and good stickiness makes it to be used as an adhesive for joints of components. The repair kit will cover up the chips, holes, scratches and cracks in your tub. The equipment is ideal for porcelain ceramic surfaces like shower, sink, tub, bathtub, vanities. Also works on plastic, fiberglass and stone. The kit comes with all necessary supplies required to repair, including compound part A, compound part B, a pair of gloves, 2 sandpapers, 2 spatulas, 3 transparent masking tapes. When DIY repair, you need to mix compound part A with compound part B and apply it to the damaged surface. It will cover up the small holes and scrapes, and the blemishes will disappear, making the tab look new and smooth. The mixture dries in 12 to 24 hours with a hard, waterproof and corrosion-resistant finish. When dry, it matches white finishes, and the surface becomes shiny. Number 2. Our second best pick is Tub Surround and Shower Wall Adhesive. Tub and Shower Wall Adhesive is a durable water-based VOC formulation that provides a robust and waterproof adhesion under extreme conditions. The LN715 adhesive is used as a caulk to seal joints between tubs and panels. The product is perfect for sealing most plastic, fiberglass tubs and showers surrounding greenboard, drywall, ceramic tiles, cement backer board, and plywood. Liquid Nails LN715 Tub Surround and Shower Walls Adhesive is heat and steam resistant and is ideal for fiberglass, plastic and polystyrene tubs and showers units. The light color won't show through and will not burn through the materials. It is not recommended for uses other than shower and tub surround installation and water immersion conditions. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Loctite Power Grab Ultimate Construction Adhesive. Loctite Power Grab Ultimate Construction Adhesive is a high-quality construction sealant that delivers crystal-precise results in all applications. The solution works in all conditions, weather and on all materials. The formula can be applied in wet conditions and bond porous and non-porous surfaces. It can be used in a wide temperature range from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for both interior and exterior projects. The grab formula reduces the need for bracing and nailing. It is recommended for tiles, concrete, ceramic, granite, porcelain, masonry, stainless steel, aluminum, metal, plaster, drywall, wood and laminate. It is not suitable for areas immersed in water and marine application. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.